Cyclone Corner Show! Oh! Hey, we are in they're calling a bomb cyclone. We're in the middle of getting about a foot of snow. It's all around us, blowing. It's so deep right now. What do you think, Corbin? We're getting snow all over, but it's not stopping us from getting outside and having fun. So we just have to put on warm clothes. We can still go outside and have fun. All right, Corbin. These steps look awfully covered with snow. Do you think we can clear it? You think we can? No? Should we give it a try? No? All right, I'm gonna start here at the top. Here we go. I'm gonna push the snow off. Oh, it's so heavy. Corbin, can you help me? Come help me with it on the truck. Which one do you want to use? Okay, you use the front loader. You want to do the bottom step first, this one? All right, here we go. Let's push it off. Oh, bulldozer's pushing it really well. Oh, front loader, are you stuck? Let me help push you from behind. Ready? Push. Can we push it off? Push. Push the snow off. Okay. Good job. I'm gonna push this row here. All right, keep pushing it. Whoa! Oh, you're doing a good job, Corbin. All right. Okay. Oh, there's a bunch right here. I'm gonna need some help. Can you help me here, front loader? We're gonna do a big push. I can't do it. I need help. Front loader. Help me with this big section right here. Okay.
Look at that!
Oh, what'd you do?
I did. Where was that?
Oh, okay.
That's our snow car.
All right, get all the snow off here. All right, I'm gonna finish off this section over here. Ready? Here, let's get some help. Let's get some help for him. Okay, all right. Oh, I'm here. Oh no, it's so deep. It's so deep. Front loader, do you think, or bulldozer, do you think you could help me clear a path to the front loader? Okay, all right. Let's see if we can, oh, it's so deep right here. It's so deep.
I can get down and get it.
Oh, Corbin's gonna do it. I think Corbin's gonna make it. Can you get it? Oh, Corbin's sinking. The snow's deeper than he is. Oh no. Can you get it? Oh no, Corbin, can you get it? Are you getting it? Oh, you saved him. Oh no, he's down again. Oh no. Okay, here. Let's push some snow down on this side here. It fell again. No. Here's the bulldozer. Oh no! Bulldozer's getting buried. He's getting buried. Quick, we should save him before he's covered with snow. Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Bulldozer! Bulldozer, where are you? Where are you?
I know what you want.
Where are you, Bulldozer? Oh no! I can't even see him anymore. Get him out! Dig him out! Oh, there he is. Okay, we're almost done with this front step. Let's get it done. Push it all off. decided that the snow was too much for his little truck, so he decided to get a shovel.
I can get my some shovel instead.
Okay. Oh, good job. Whoa, good shoveler.
Oh, little grass!
Oh, you found the ground already? Hey, Bulldozer. You did a good job with this front step, but we have 3 more steps to go. Do you think we can do it? I don't know, man. I'm very tired. I got buried in the snow and I'm very cold. See, there's snow all over me. I don't know if I can do another step. Okay, well, I'll help you, all right? We can do this, the 2 of us together. We can do this. All right, man, if you say so. I think we'll be okay, because Corbin's helping with the shovel, too. It's not just us. We're not alone. We have help. All right, man. All right, I'm gonna give it a try. All right, now. Everyone, we did it! The steps are clear. Oh, but I don't think it's going to last. The snow is still coming. We're gonna have to clear them again. Corbin, what do you think?
I can do it really hard.
You can do it really hard?
Yeah.
With your shovel? All right, well for now, the steps are clear. Oh man, I'm so tired. I want to take a little break here. It's very snowy out here. Good thing I have big tires to roll through it. Whoa, look at this cave I found. This big ice cave. Oh, it's a huge cave. Look at this. I wonder what kind of mysteries are underneath here. Oh no! Oh no! He's crushed. It's an abominable snowman that's crushing the ice cave. Let's get him out of there quick. Crustacean! Crustacean, where are you? Where are you, Crustacean? Where are you? Corbin, help me save Crustacean!
No, I'm just burying him.
You're burying him? Save Crustacean! Save him!
I can put up.
Here it is. Whoa, the wind is really picking up right now. I don't know if you can even see this, how much it's blowing. The snow's coming in sideways. It's just coming in so hard. We might have to go inside soon because it's getting too windy out here with all this snow. Oh no, Corbin keeps burying me. How do I get out of here? Corbin, why are you burying me? Oh no! Where is he, Corbin? There's a little bit of red. That's all that's left of Crustacean. There's still a little bit of red left. I still have the front loader, but we've completely lost the bulldozer. I don't know where it is. It's in the snow somewhere. And now I don't know where Crustacean is. Where are you, Crustacean? Oh, there he is. He's right here. Ready? Where you go, Crustacean? Where is he? Can we go find him?
Yeah.
Crustacean, where are you? Oh no! Where are you? Oh no! It's a snow desert out here. We can't go too fast in the snow. It's so deep. Corbin, where is he?
He's over there. I see someone over there.
Can you come find him?
Yeah. I see someone over there.
Come help me find him. We gotta find him, kids. Where's Crustacean? It's so deep. Corbin can barely walk. Okay, here we go.
He's down over there. I He's right over there.
I don't see anything. I just see a hole in the snow. All I see is a hole.
I see things.
Where do you see him at?
Over there. By the
Oh,
wall.
I think that's a leaf. Hey, here, look, Corbin, you think it could be in here?
Yes.
We're not sure where crustacean is, but we see this mysterious hole here. I wonder if he could be inside there. We had to get our crane out here to help reach out and get him. Pull it up. Pull it up. What do you see, Corbin? What do you see? Pull it up.
There's something red in here.
Pull it up. There's something red in there. Pull it out. Quick, can you get it?
Who is it?
What is it? It's crustacean! You found him! Oh, yes! Thank you, Crane. Thank you, Corbin. We found crustacean in the snow. All right. Oh, no! He's gone again! Oh, no! It's a struggle to move through this stuff. Where's crustacean at? Where is he? Where's he at? Did we lose him? Where'd he go? All right, kids, now we really don't know where crustacean is. We're digging through the snow here. We can't find him. We don't know where he went.
I came in.
Oh, wait, I found tires. I was sitting on him that whole time. Oh, my goodness. So apparently a plow truck came through here, but they only plowed half the road. So we have this side here that's lower, and then we have this sweet ramp right here. Oh, he just tumbles down it. He can't roll in the snow very well. Try it, down side. Ready? Oh! Oh, I'm trying to climb this ice mountain. Oh, I gotta make it to the top. Up the ice mountain. Go up, all the way up.
What?
Oh, he fell down the other side.
I understand. I'm cold.
You're cold? Let's go inside, bud, and warm up. It was simply getting way too cold out there, right, Corbin?
Yeah.
We were way too cold with that wind blowing at us and all that snow. So we came inside. And what's our rule? Whenever we're done playing in the snow, what do we have to do? We have to drink hot chocolate, of course. So whenever we play in the snow, we have to drink hot chocolate after. How's yours? Is it good?
How's your hot chocolate?
My hot chocolate? It's very delicious. Thanks for asking. That is so good. What a special treat after getting so cold in the snow. But we deserve it, right? Because we cleared off those steps for Mommy. Right? So we cleared it off, so we deserve some hot chocolate. Thank you so much for watching our show in the bomb cyclone. Why do you think they call it a bomb cyclone? I don't know either. Maybe it's just exploding snow all over us. I'm not sure why they're calling it that, but it is coming down hard out there. The wind is blowing. We're gonna stay inside nice and warm the rest of the day. So you might not have snow where you live, but maybe you do. So get out there and play, whether it's snowing or not. Just put on the right clothing for the right weather, and you can have fun no matter what the weather is. So get out there and have fun, and thanks for watching.
See you later.
Don't forget to subscribe.
That was a good job.